it is we're going to spray paint these. The key to it is making sure none of them are touching. And being 12 inches away and just giving it a light spray. Oh, it's nice and spotty. Alright, well, it's going to be a little spotty then. It's okay. We're going for maximum coverage anyway. So you see how you can see on the sides the color? You want to cover that up. So you do kind of want to get it from different angles. That's alright. Okay. Then we'll move on to the lowercase letters. Alright, this is not the original color I was going for, but pretty sure this one will work. Yeah, okay. Come on. There's something in there still. Yeah, this one's not. Okay, there it goes. I see a lot of the original color coming through. I think that's good. So that's that. And that's that. It really doesn't go together, but that's what we're dealing with.